Tell me about the goal that you made.
Yeah, I just dived and then I shot it and somehow it went in. I don't know where the goal is. 13 and Braxton Chelsea. I think our team didn't do too well. We could have passed more and moved our feet. We just didn't come out with aggression in the first period and overall didn't play the best.
Spencer O'Brien, number 11. It was pretty tough. It's hard to see you get blown out. We hadn't had any practices before this. This is our first tournament. My personal goal is to get better and to just have fun.
I thought we played pretty well. Could have scored more goals. Vega sold for Rocket. Rocket should have had a shutout. We still need to do a better job covering the middle.
What's the difference between this game and the last game?
I think this game, we were a little pumped up a little more, like getting into the rhythm.
This one was easier and the other one was harder.
The team we just played wasn't that good.
We won 2 games, lost 2 games. Tomorrow we play our final game. Team played well, a little erratic at times, but we kept getting better.
Should be a good game tomorrow. The other team's going to want to come back against us. They lost, we beat them 9-7, so it's going to be fun to close out and hopefully we can go home 3-2.
I gotta use the restroom.
Kids are having fun here in Mall of America. It's 9 o'clock at night. We haven't had lunch or dinner.
How's everything look?
It's a little bit after 10. We just came back from Mall of America. We're here in Outback Steakhouse for late dinner.
Should have beat that one too.